Good evening, KLE family, and welcome to our 2022 Open House Night. My name is Martha Jaureguizar, and I am the very proud principal of this school. Our entire staff welcomes you, and we are glad you are here so that we may share important information regarding our school's priorities and programs with you. Kendale Lakes Elementary is a state and district recognized school of excellence. We are very proud of our traditions and the many improvements we have gone through. Our school is presently receiving valuable improvements from the government obligation bond, and we look forward to additional projects planned within this year. I encourage you to visit our website for important information and updates. www.kendalelakeselementary.net. What we focus on the longest grows the strongest. Our focus is ultimately enabling each child to reach their full potential. We are here for you and your child. Please remain in communication with us and do not hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. Our MDCPS values are a vital part of our school. We share these values and reinforce the behaviors associated with them as having high expectations for all of us to promote this in our students too. We work to recognize students and individuals who demonstrate these important values, and we work to instill them in our students each day. These are the district and school mission statements which guide us in the work we do. Our beloved KLE family utilizes these statements to serve as our compass throughout our decision-making and operational systems to ultimately benefit our learners and equip them to excel long-term once they have been promoted to middle school. Our school improvement plan focus areas include school culture, attendance and punctuality, which is an area of necessary improvement at this time. We hope with improved health conditions that our students can arrive on time and arrive each day ready to learn. We continue to work to reduce learning losses, and our efforts need to be united to support our students at school and at home. Academics, ongoing progress monitoring, and standard aligned instruction, which are important as we assess students' levels of understanding each day and work to optimize mastery of grade level standards. We utilize school lessons, a variety of supplemental resources, and technology programs that are aligned to grade level standards to support this area. Leadership. Connecting with families and community is a very important factor in students' success. When parents and the school staff work together, children truly benefit socially, emotionally, and academically. Working together, we will make a positive difference for our students. Key operational areas help us work together in this capacity. Please support our staff with our safety procedures and follow guidance from our team members and school resource officer. Participate in family engagement and learning opportunities. Have your child attend school regularly and prepared for each day. Email us for absences and include your teacher in the email too. Reinforce positive study habits and routines at home to ensure students complete required practice assignments. We will provide assistance and enrichment to our students based upon their needs, and you will hear more about this tonight with their teacher. Communication is the key to our success. Let's work together and remain connected so that our beloved students demonstrate our values, excel at school socially as well as academically, and feel a sense of pride and independence to be responsible learners. At KLE, we reinforce 3 key performance areas: student wellness and achievement, a dedicated and high-performing workforce, and effective and efficient operational systems. Our school performance is superior to the district and state. We are presently the 12th ranked elementary school and 8th ranked Title I school in our district. When looking at learning rates of our students, we are ranked 5th overall from the top performing MDCPS elementary schools. Of particular pride is that no other school in this group has our diversity and specialized demographics served. Congratulations to all of us on these amazing achievements. We are all in this together. Let's provide and cultivate a safe, inspirational, and motivational school experience. Provide exceptional service to our students and their families through positive relationships and responsibilities. Promote professional collaboration and creativity. And also provide and expand a quality instructional program enabling each student and employee to perform at their optimal level. Thank you for attending tonight. We look forward to our teamwork. We will be sending out a brief survey, and these are the names and contacts of team members who may be able to provide guidance or assistance. We are abundantly blessed and so grateful for you being a valued team member at the KLE family. Thank you for choosing KLE. It is a very special place to be. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your evening, and please know that we are here for you and obviously for all of our beloved boys and girls. Have a lovely evening.